Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here. I got the new iPhone, the SE 2020 in white, and I'm gonna unbox it. So let's do it. Inside the box we have the guides. Let's have a look at them, and hopefully Apple stickers. So we have the Apple stickers, SIM card eject tool, we have the quick start guide, and we have the warranty and regulatory stuff. That's nice to see. This is the iPhone itself. Let's have a look at that. In the box we also have the older style 5-watt charger, which is 5 volts at 1 amp, which we can see. There's also a serial number inside the charger, which is interesting. We also have the Lightning earpods. Let's have a look at those. Nice to see. And we have the older style Lightning to USB cable, which is nice to see as well. This is a test of the screen brightness on both devices in the sun. They appear pretty similar. Nothing much too different. This is a test of the selfie camera and the outdoor audio quality of the selfie camera, especially in challenging lighting such as this. It struggles, but it's not bad. Let's test the app launch time on GarageBand versus an iPhone 7. They're not that different actually, reasonably similar. Now we'll do a speaker quality test. So I got both phones at full volume and then down 4 taps, because most of the time you don't play full volume, and then I'll do full volume later. So we'll start off with, let's do the iPhone SE. And then we'll start on GarageBand on the iPhone 8. Oh no, iPhone 7 Plus, sorry. And now we'll go full volume on both devices. And we'll see what it sounds like now. And then we'll do it on the 7 Plus. Thanks for watching this iPhone unboxing. This part of the review has actually been filmed on the iPhone SE 2020 itself to give you an idea of the video quality. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. This is a test of the screen brightness in the sun. So that's an iPhone